This is a widespread damaging wind event, winds of up to 100 miles an hour. Tracking the tornado here, Guthrie in 11 minutes, Waukesha in about 12 minutes. You can see that just over, say, Elkhorn, we've got a tower here showing you an indication of some very strong winds. Whiteout conditions, heavy snow. It's one of those nights where you just don't want to get out in a car, because if you get stranded out there, you may not find help for hours. About 20 to 22 minutes before very intense winds come blowing through. The rain the last few days has washed all the salt and sand off the roads. So what normally would be somewhat treated is now just a clean slate for snow. And go ahead and seek shelter immediately. Get inside. Get to the lowest floor possible. The umbrellas, you want to bring them with you. You may not need them in the morning, but by the afternoon, you certainly will. Guys, we have our first warning of the afternoon. Walworth County now under a severe thunderstorm warning until 5:45.
Mark's back now with the latest on when it might change over to snow.
Yeah, and not only that, but we still have thunderstorms and hail tonight. Michelle and Paul on First Alert Precision Doppler. What do we find? A lot of green, some pink, meaning that there's some sleet mixing in with the rain. And if you look real carefully here, some yellow. Those are thunderstorms, and we've had just within the last half hour, 45 minutes, thunderstorms that have actually produced some decent sized coverage of hail. If you look here, you can see these towers going up to about 20, even 25,000 feet. It's these cells that have created some pea-sized hail in Sheboygan County, earlier in Kewaskum, and also southern Dodge County as well. Right now, we don't have too much in the way of hail producers over us right now, but out to our west, we do have more thunderstorms. So right now, it's primarily just a chilly rain, as Michelle was just telling you. But further out to the west, look at this. More thunderstorms in Iowa, tracking to the north and to the east. And it looks like we'll get another round of rain, thunder, maybe even some more hail overnight tonight. And some of that rain could be heavy at times, too. Chilly outside, 32 in Waukesha, 33 Sheboygan, 34 in Milwaukee. A critical degree or two above freezing. So we're not concerned about ice tonight, but it's certainly windy and cold out there. Winds are gusting as high as 38 miles an hour. And look, everyone's coming out of the east, right off of Lake Michigan, creating wind chills in the rain in the low 20s. Our wind chill in Milwaukee is at 22 degrees. So overnight tonight, just a raw night out there. Rain, even some more thunder on the way. Further north in Fond du Lac, Sheboygan County, you're going to have some sleet mixing in with the rain. 33 degrees, the overnight low. No accumulation overnight tonight, but we will see a transition back over to some snow. Look at this. We've got snow in northern Wisconsin. We have severe weather out west, too. Look at this line of severe weather in Iowa earlier in the day. This is courtesy of KCCI in Des Moines. Look at this, a funnel cloud. This was in Creston, Iowa, as the storm was pushing east. Now, fortunately, no severe weather here in southern Wisconsin. All the severe weather reports tonight are out in Iowa, where they've had multiple reports of tornadoes. Here in Wisconsin, northern Wisconsin, the headline is heavy snow. Northern Wisconsin could see a foot of snow. We've got winter storm warning, even blizzard warnings up for areas of northern Wisconsin. Down here, thankfully, in southern Wisconsin, we're just talking rain. Tracking it tonight, there goes that first batch of rain. Here come the thunderstorms. 2 o'clock in the morning, you see the yellow here? Heavy rain, lightning, thunder, even some hail possible 2 o'clock in the morning. That clears out. Tomorrow morning, very light rain forecast at 7 o'clock for your morning commute. But look up to our north and west. You see the pink there and the blue? That's snow pushing to the south. So the evening commute tomorrow, we're going to have light snow. Light snow that'll be mounting by 10 o'clock up to 3 to 4 inches of snow. Fond du Lac, Sheboygan, West Bend. Here in Milwaukee, maybe a dusting to about an inch of snow. High temperatures on your Wednesday, mainly in the upper 30s. Kenosha a little warmer at 41 degrees. Any rain goes over to snow by the afternoon and the evening. 36 your high in Waukesha, along with West Bend, Port Washington 34 in Beaver Dam. And of course, here at CBS 58, you always get your 7-day forecast before any other station in town. Thursday morning, a flurry out there, a high temperature 32. Friday 33, partly cloudy. And it looks like we're going to keep this cold weather right into the weekend.